Welcome back to Cooking in Your Hotel Bathroom. For fans of the show, I don't have to explain how any of this works. Today we are tasting the pickles that I made this week. Take a look. The fridge in my hotel room was aggressive, and some of the asparagus didn't look great. So I examined them, and there was only a few worth keeping. That's fine. I didn't have a big package anyway. So I separated all the soft and ruined ones, wondering if it would make a difference when they were pickled. But I cut up roughly 30% too many vegetables, and then I put the vegetables in a container with the amount of water just to fill it up, and then measured the weight. I added 3% salt, dumped that in, shook it up, and then left it alone for a week. This is the beauty. It smells murky. Cauliflower. Is this even pickled? Yeah. It's not nearly salty enough. Asparagus. Unappealingly soft. Lightly salty, lightly fermented. This cucumber. Okay. I think that's enough for now.